Achieving creator accountability actually isn't impossible. You're going to hear some of the tips that I personally use on this channel. Then we'll head over to Canva so that I can share with you some templates that you might want to use. And at the end, I'm going to tell you whether I kept myself accountable. There is only one person that can hold you accountable, really. You are the driving force behind your channel. Nobody is sitting here telling me, Jennifer, you've got to go film that video today. Jennifer, you've got to edit that video today if you need time to, schedule it for next week. Like, there's nobody there that's telling me that. I tell myself that. I look at the big picture and I look and I think, okay, what do I want to accomplish? And how do I get there? I wanted 5 videos that were done by today. And in order to do that, I had to brainstorm the ideas. I had to plan the ideas. And then I had to film the ideas. I had to edit the ideas, edit again, and edit a third time. But there's nobody to tell me to do that. I have to know to do that. I fly by the seat of my pants. The reason why I can't do that is because I've got a couple things that cause me to lose my train of thought. They cause me to, I lose my voice sometimes. It causes me to have extreme fatigue at times to where I can't even get out of the chair, much less film and edit. So I have to stay 2 weeks ahead or you guys wouldn't get anything. In fact, next week is my ideate week. I'm going to come up with 20 ideas? And then I'm going to cut the 20 ideas down to 10. And then I'm going to cut the 10 ideas down to 7. And then I'll bring those 7 ideas to my creator buddy. Hi, Snazzy Vegan Life. Here's the thing. You need an accountability buddy. Sharon's probably regretting right about now that she chose me because I'm tough. Each day looks different for me. And this little planner has been helpful because it doesn't have dates on it. I have a to-do list. Like, here's mine for today. And it's 6:45 this morning. I was up. I've got my priority list for the day. If anybody wants a link to the specific one, I can share that, but that wasn't the goal. I just wanted you to see how I process and how I go through what I want to do. I want to show you guys something within Canva that may also help you stay on track. I'm probably going to get a new one when I run out of these pages that has the time slots because I find that really helpful. Let's look up colorful, simple weekly and daily class agenda. Let me just grab a text, right? And then you can write what you want to do Monday through Friday, or you could change it to a daily agenda, hourly agenda, or whatever works for you. You'll be seeing enough pancakes in my videos soon. Not soon enough, Sharon. And by the way, in the videos that I've filmed recently, I have mentioned pancakes more than I've ever mentioned pancakes in my entire life. If I say the word pancakes, it will be too soon. I was about to ask how you create an agenda. So we're going to go to design. We're going to look up the word agenda, if I could spell it right. And then look, we've got today's schedule where you could, if you are more of a digital person and you want to do it, then you could just change it 8 a.m., 9 a.m., whatever. You could do it in a Canva document. You could do it in a presentation. What about this one? Today's activities. And then it gives time breakdown and what you might want to do. For this one, I might put kick snazzy crackles into gear. Why would I do that? Because, let me show you. We're actually going to go visit her wonderful channel. We have worked hard on it, updating thumbnails, and they look phenomenal, Sharon. I'm going to give you credit. In some of these, she did all on her own. But Sharon, A video hasn't been published in 2 weeks. Let's get that video up. I want to see pancakes in my feed. I can give her a hard time because we know each other pretty well. If you guys are not familiar with, I got to give a shout out to my creator friend here, Digital Art with Canva. Her channel is amazing. She likes to do animations like this one, where it animates like this. This is fun. Okay, maybe that should be my February. Did I hold myself accountable? Of course I did. Watch this next if you want to create a fun animation for your YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Puddles is still here, y'all.